What's going on, everyone? My name is Amel and welcome to my channel. This little guy is my son Amir, and he's gonna help me today unbox the Dell 27-inch 4K monitor. So let's get to it. You ready?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Okay guys, so this is the monitor box. It's a Dell 27 4K monitor, and the actual model is S2721QS. That's S2721QS. This is the front and this is the back. It kind of shows you the back of the monitor. Are you ready? You ready to open it up? Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. There you go. Good job, buddy. Here, I'll take that. Put that on the side. You ready to flip it? Okay, let's flip it. So, what do we have here? Let's see. So we have an HDMI cable, and then we have the power cable. We got some warranty papers and a little setup guide on how to set up the bottom piece where the monitor sits on. All right, let's put this to the side.
I bought it.
Okay, and this looks like so this part right here, you would attach to the monitor. Okay, buddy. So yeah, this part right here you would attach to the monitor, and this is the monitor itself. You ready, Ami? All right. Okay, so monitor, you got it, buddy. All right. Wow, it's so shiny.
It's so tiny.
So that's the back of it. And that's the front. All right. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comments section and be sure to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video with my little sidekick today. Trying to switch it up a little bit. Did you have fun? Yeah? So what do we say now? Peace out.
Peace out.
See you in the next video.